Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will see how we can install Docker Desktop on Windows. To do that, go to google.com and type install Docker Desktop on Windows. Then you click on the link which comes first from docker.com. Then you click on Docker Desktop for Windows. This an exe file comes. Just download it. The download is happening now. Now the file is downloaded. Click on that exe file. Now the Docker desktop is getting installed. Click on OK. All the unpacking of files is being done now. Now the installation has succeeded. We have to restart the Windows to complete the installation. So I click on close and restart. The Docker desktop has been installed successfully and the system has been restarted. You can see a shortcut for Docker desktop on the desktop here. To check the desktop, whether a Docker desktop has been installed successfully, we can go to command prompt and type Docker version. You can see the Docker version and the build number successfully appearing in the command prompt. So thus Docker desktop has been installed successfully. See you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.